Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a bow hair clip using net fabric. As you can see, I have decorated the hair clip using sequins and beads. So let's see how we can make this. Here I have taken alligator clips, flower shaped sequins or chumkeys, and small white pearl beads. Now take a net fabric of size 27 into 20 cm. Fold as shown. Now using a needle and thread, stitch in the middle. First I have tied a knot in the end. And then I am stitching long stitches here. Now pull the thread and tie as shown. Tie a knot and cut off the extra thread. Our bow is now ready. Now to make the tail of a bow, take a net fabric of size 20 into 20 cm, fold diagonally and then stitch along the diagonal as shown. Stitch the same long stitches here and then pull the thread, fold and tie as shown. Now tie a knot, and now we are going to attach this tail piece with the bow piece. Tie the thread tightly. Our bow is now ready. Now we can decorate it using sequins and beads. I am going to show you how to stitch this. First take a needle, insert the sequin and then the small white bead. And now insert the needle through the hole of the sequin. In this way, the sequin and bead will stay in place. Using the same way, we have to stitch the remaining sequins and beads. Here I have stitched some 15 to 18 sequins and beads to make it look beautiful. And now this is the final look. You can see how beautiful it looks. This will add a unique look to your bow hair clip. Finally, we have to attach this bow to the alligator clip. Stick the bow to the clip and our bow hair clip is ready. So I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.